So we are here in Lares today looking for a little river called Charco La Valentina that's supposed to be behind the Coliseum of Lares. There's a river here and then there's some, looks like maybe some trails, but we're not sure. So this is kind of how we find waterfalls, is just looking. What do you think, Aiden? Mustangs! Eden, which way? That way or this way? You think so? I think this way. La Valentina in Lares. How pretty this is. Look at, the water's pretty deep right here. I think you could probably jump in. It's not a very large fall of water, but the pond is really pretty. Nice and peaceful back here too. Lots of bamboo and pelargonias, ferns. Nice little shelter too to hang out. Pretty cool. Not too far of a walk either from the Coliseum. So this waterfall is named Charco La Valentina because apparently long ago there was a woman that they called La Valentina who would come down here often to swim, and at one point in time she died, drowned out here, and so now people still say that they see her ghost or her spirit oftentimes actually in the Coliseum, in the mirror, or sometimes appearing in different places. They'll see a figure or a face of a woman they call La Valentina, or sometimes down here at the river itself. So it's kind of got a little bit of a ghost story also.
feels so good. That'll cool you down. Here we are in the middle of a stream.
In the middle of winter.
Está fría.
What you get to do in the winters of the tropics.
Feels good.
It's really cold, but it feels good.
Feels hot today. You can push a lot of water.